Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the front lower ball joint on Honda CRV. This is the ball joint that we're going to be replacing. So in order to replace it, we need to remove this nut, and also need to remove the drive axle from the wheel hub. In order to remove the drive axle, we need to remove this bolt. First, we'll start by removing the nut for the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'm going to be using a ball joint separator to separate the ball joint from the control arm. I'm going to put in the ball joint separator, and I'm going to hammer it in, and then I'm going to tighten it to release the ball joint. Next, I'm going to remove the nut holding the drive axle. Next, I'm going to bring up the whole wheel to remove it out of the control arm, and now I can take out the drive axle. If it doesn't want to come out, you might want to use a pry bar to pry it out a little bit, but be careful with the magnetic ring that's on the CV joint. Next, I'm going to start removing the ball joint. First, I need to remove the bushing on the ball joint, and then I need to cut like that right there. I need to cut the ball joint, and then I'm going to hammer out the ball joint. So the bushing is off. Now I'm going to cut the ball joint. That's the ball joint, this part of the ball joint cut off. Now I'm going to use a pneumatic hammer to hammer out the ball joint. I'm going to hammer it out until it goes out completely. I'm going to be using this pneumatic hammer or air hammer, whatever you call it. In my case, the ball joint is completely stuck to the wheel hub assembly, so I might need to heat up the wheel hub assembly a little bit in order to make it expand, and this way I'll remove the ball joint easier. Now that I've heated the metal around the ball joint, I'm going to continue hammering it out, and it should come out eventually. You can see the ball joint is starting to come out, so I will continue to hammer it until it comes out all the way. And that's the ball joint out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. So that's the new ball joint on, and in order to install it, I'm going to be using a ball joint installer kit. That's what the tool for the ball joint looks like. So I'm going to be putting the top of this tool on the ball joint, and on the lower part of the ball joint I'm going to be putting a long ring, so that the long ring is a little bit bigger diameter than the ball joint, and this way the ring will go in, this way the ball joint will go in all the way into the ring when we compress it in. You can see how I've put it on. I'll give you a closer view now to see exactly how I've put it on. The ball joint, when it goes in all the way, will go into this long pipe, or whatever you call it, and it will stop when it can't go no more. I'm using a pneumatic gun to tighten the ball joint installer kit easier, and you can see how the ball joint is going in a little bit at a time. I think now it's all the way in, so I'm going to be loosening the ball joint installer tool, and I think the ball joint is in all the way, so we're done with replacing the ball joint. Next we're going to assemble everything that we disassembled in the reverse order. First we're going to put in the CV joint into the wheel hub, then we're going to put the ball joint into the control arm, and then we're going to tighten the bolt for the bolt and the nut, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.